for a new video. This one today I'm working on 1998 Mazda. It's a B series, the 2500. This one right here. It's as you can realize, then I'm working on it today. I'm gonna see or to replace the blower motor resistor. The customer just bring the car here today. The AC works only on I side, so it doesn't work on 1, 2, 3. It's only on 5, so the AC blower motor works. But on my experience, I always go by and replace the blower motor resistor. That's right here. Now, if you can see it, it's right here. Got only 2 screws that holding it. They are 8mm socket. So I'm gonna use this 8mm socket swivel to take the both of screws out. But let me tell you guys, so whenever you got a situation or a problem like that, don't waste your time on diagnose it, because most of the time the resistor is gonna be around like 14, 20 to 30 or 40, 50 bucks. Then beside wasting your time and then check all the wires and do everything, so it's better than you just jump in, especially when you got too much work to do like me, and I got too much work to do. I'm not gonna waste my time on that. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna remove the blower motor resistor and I'm just gonna replace it, and after that we're gonna go forward. You see, you got one. I don't know if you can see the bolt right here down there. There you go. So I don't take it all the way out because I don't want it to fall down. I'm just gonna slide my hands in there. There you go. So that's the type of screw that. So I'm gonna go with the other one. Do the same thing. Alright, just loosening it, and I'm gonna slide my hands in there, and I'm gonna take it out. That's it. So here's the guys we're talking about right here. So this one, we're gonna replace it to see if the problem gonna solve first, because most of the time, 90% of the time, when you got your AC only work on the I side, so it's always the blower motor resistor. So sometimes it won't work on low, you only work on the high side. Bossman, pass it, clear me. Pardon, tout bas, clear, switch on. All right, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna replace this first. I get from L'Autobon Flashman. I get from O'Reilly Auto Parts. So I'm gonna replacing it. So that's a customer stock. Then right, so it goes like that. I'm gonna put it in. Alright, I'll push it and let it stick in there, and now I'm gonna use this. It's not that easy to see where you put your hands at. There you go. And I'm gonna go with the second one. Right, I got both in here. Go. Got both in here, guys. Go. There you go. Got both installed. Alright, the second thing to do, just plug that back in. Let me see which way the plug goes. Here we go. Plug it back in, and I'm gonna put this back in. Alright, so here we go, guys. Now I'm gonna go back on the car. I'm gonna start the car and turn the AC on. Excusez pardon. Alright, go back to the car, start it. Yep, there you go. Sous, là sous 1, là sous 2, là sous 3, and now we're on 4. 3, 2, 1. Alright, that's it. Alright guys, again and again, and this is the way it works. And now go back to the front, make sure everything is right in place. And I'm gonna bring this down and close the hood. Alright guys, see you on the next video.